That's right, guys. I'm back. That is right, Cooking with Jeff is back. It's been a very, very long time since I uploaded a cooking video. What I'm gonna cook for you guys today is the perfect scrambled egg. Now, Jeff, what do you mean perfect scrambled eggs? They're scrambled eggs. How do you mess up scrambled eggs? I'm gonna tell you how you mess up scrambled eggs. There's no way to mess up scrambled eggs. Oh yes, there is. Have you ever ate scrambled eggs and there was like burnt egg in it? I hate that. Don't you hate that? I kinda understand what you mean. Now, show us what you're gonna do. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to make perfect scrambled eggs every time. Alright, are you guys ready? Follow me. So, all you're really gonna need is a pot. This is the secret. Butter and some eggs. That's it. Now I like cheese, salt, pepper, garlic, Italian seasoning, but the seasonings are, that's up to you guys. This is just showing you like how to make it like perfect, soft, and not burnt. The spices, that's all on you guys. You put whatever you want on it. Just get your butter. I'm not measuring anything here. I'm just kind of, you know, eyeballing it. So you put a big glob of butter and just throw it in here. Sorry about that piggy sound. That was Diesel, my bulldog, in the background. He's probably going to drink some water because every time I usually do a video, you drink some water, and he heard me say water. Now listen to this. Told you. Just puts a little bit of butter in there. I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove on to like a 6. It already gets pretty hot. Alright, so I got fresh eggs right here. Haven't used these yet. Got to try not to burn my finger because it's right here. Diesel, you done drinking yet? I'm trying to do a video over here. There goes one. Sorry about Diesel, you know. That's what happens when you have animals. That's 2. 3. God damn, Diesel, how much water are you gonna drink? There's 4. I'm gonna do one more. Oh, that's 5. I mean, you could leave the shell in there if you like the little crunch. There you go. I got 5 eggs on there, and then we just wait. What you want to do, this is what's important. This is why the pan, or the pot, sorry, not the pan, the pot is the secret. So you can start turning it like this. Now, I'm just using a spoon because it's all I can find. I don't feel like looking for a whisk. Now you just simply keep turning it like this, and the pot gets hot. But that's the key. Just keep stirring it and stirring it and stirring it. I'm using this big old spoon because it's a lot easier to stir it. When you use like the little whisk thing, the egg pieces get all stuck inside it. So I just use this. That's pretty much all you do. After a while, your shoulder is going to start to hurt because it's a lot of stirring. And you go on the heat and off the heat. It doesn't really matter usually. I mean, since it's off, it's still hot inside the pot. But the key here is just keep your eye on it. Keep stirring and keep stirring. We're almost there. I can tell. Well, the pot's already hot, so I can lift it up off the stove and keep stirring it, and the egg is still in there cooking. Because you don't want the egg pieces to get stuck to the corners of the pot. It all depends on what kind of stove you have. This one gets hot pretty fast. I mean, it doesn't have actual flame, but see, as you can see here, the egg is getting in there, finally cooking. it starts to get like, starts to cook finally, and you just move it around. But yeah, as I was saying, like if I had a gas like stove, I guess this would cook a lot faster. But as you can see, I don't. See that? I'm gonna take it off. Just keep stirring. Like I said, you're gonna be here a while. Your shoulder. So it's like you're making the protein here, and you're also getting a little shoulder forearm workout as well. So can't complain and say that you don't work out. Just be like, yeah, I make scrambled eggs in a pot. That's my workout. See, look at that. All the liquid is pretty much gone. And it's weird because the butter that I use and the eggs, it starts to smell like popcorn. It's like weird. I mean, it's pretty much ready. So I'm gonna keep stirring it. Now I already turned the stove off. You see the steam because the pot is still hot, but the eggs are done. You don't want it to, you know, burn the eggs. That's the whole point of this video. That's why you just gotta keep stirring it. Just do this. And I like to add my seasoning in with the, already in the pot. I mean, you can add your seasoning like when you put it on the plate, but I'm gonna do it inside the pot so I can stir it. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Gotta try to be quick because you don't want your eggs to overcook. Some Italian seasoning. What we got next? Some pepper and some salt. And some Sargento 4-cheese Mexican. Boom. I like a lot of cheese. And then boom. Just start mixing. Now we put it on a plate. Some people might not like me for this, but I like to add ketchup to my scrambled eggs. Now some people might not like ketchup on their eggs, but I mean, have you tried it? It's good. Some people like pineapple on pizza, but I don't like those people because pizza is a little different than eggs. Try it. Ketchup with eggs, it's pretty good, and with all the other seasoning on it. Also, I'm gonna make some toast. Gotta have some toast. Toast is done. I like mine a little dark, and I know all you fancy people out there like to eat avocado toast. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever done this. Guacamole toast. How do you like that? Holy shit, that was a big piece. But it's okay, because, you know, it's healthy, right? I mean, it's an avocado with like onion and pepper and all that other garbage, right? Almost done. There's one more secret. Now, to add that little sweet flavor, you gotta add a little bit of honey to the holy guacamole toast. Perfect breakfast. There you have it, the perfect scrambled eggs. Get a nice good close-up of those perfect scrambled eggs with no burnt egg anywhere. And then you got the avocado toast. Guacamole toast, avocado toast with honey. Whatever, all the same. Guacamole, avocado. Some people say tomato, some people say tomato. It doesn't matter. That is it for the perfect scrambled egg video. I mean, some people don't like watching people eat. And you know, could be the way they eat, or it could be the sounds that they make when they eat. Some people are enjoying these food sounds. And some people aren't. Now, they say, only, what kind of chef are you if you don't try your own food, right? It's good. There is a beard hair next to my eggs. But it's okay, because it's mine. I can just move it out of the way. You guys want to see it? This is what happens when you have a beard. Well, at least it's mine, right? Hope you guys like this perfect scrambled egg video. Leave a comment below what you guys think. What kind of seasonings do you guys use? And also, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now, I haven't done a Cooking with Jeff video in a few years, and this is the first one that I've done. I'm thinking about just making a separate channel, a cooking channel, just about random, you know, cheap, you know, I'm a lazy cook, so it's gonna be lazy cook videos. Yeah. Check out that after shot with the plastic fork. And you know I have to down it with some chocolate milk. I don't care if I'm an adult. Who doesn't like a nice glass of chocolate milk in a plastic cup so you don't have to do dishes? That is it. The perfect scrambled eggs. You'll no longer have to deal with burnt scrambled eggs anymore. Just follow my little recipe and you know, you'll be all set. Since I follow Jeff's recipe, I no longer have to cook burnt scrambled eggs. I know how to cook normal scrambled eggs that are perfect every time. Isn't that right, Jeff? Yes, Jeff. That's right. Perfect scrambled eggs every time.